Fold Eat. There's no denying that taking a packed lunch is cheaper and often healthier than going out to eat at a restaurant. But traditional Tupperware containers are awkwardly shaped and annoying to transport. Fold Eat is a revolutionary new product that aims to change the way you eat lunch on the go with its innovative design. Fold Eat is a modular lunchbox. What does that even mean? It means that Fold Eat can adapt to suit your needs regardless of the situation with its cleverly designed adjustable bag. The bag is the core component of the Fold Eat way of doing things. It unzips in seconds to form a convenient lunch mat to eat off of. Perfect for catching crumbs at your desk or a picnic on a sunny day in the park. The specially designed containers fit perfectly into the bag, whether you need a single one for your lunch at work or up to as many as 4 for a picnic with friends. Fold Eat has your back. Thermal insulation keeps your food fresh, and an optional gel pack allows you to drop the temperature right down for perfectly chilled bites every time. Vax Power Pro Carpet Cleaner. If you have carpeted floors, you're probably no stranger to vacuuming them regularly. But did you know that carpets can retain way more dirt that cannot be removed with a standard vacuum cleaner? Enter the Vax Power Pro Carpet Cleaner. Cleaning a carpet used to require the rental of specialized tools for the hiring of a professional carpet cleaner. But now the Vax Power Pro Carpet Cleaner has changed all of that. The Vax Power Pro Carpet Cleaner is so good at cleaning carpets because it literally washes your carpet. A large tank holds water and detergent that the Vax Power Pro squirts directly into the fibers of the carpet, loosening dirt and cleaning the material. Getting the shampoo and dirt out of your carpet is no problem at all with the Vax Power Pro Carpet Cleaner. This carpet cleaner features super strong suction that pulls all of the dirty shampoo and water right out of the floor. Whether you love or hate the carpeted floors in your home, the Vax Power Pro Carpet Cleaner sure does make them a lot easier to keep clean. Tick time. Do you struggle with losing track of time in front of screens? Does every small interaction with your smartphone turn into a 20-minute Instagram browsing session? Tick time is an exciting new gadget that's here to help you keep track of time and manage your day more efficiently. While you could just use the built-in timer function of your smartphone, Tick time has been designed to help you get some much-needed time away from screens and computers. As anyone who works long hours in an office will know, it's important to switch off and disconnect when you get the chance. A unique hexagonal design features different times on each face. To set a timer, simply place the tick time unit on the table with the amount of time you'd like to use facing up. It's that simple. Need to be a little more specific? Tick time features dedicated controls for a more granular approach to timing, and even allows you to adjust the volume of the alarm. Project LOON. Project LOON is a special project by the Google Alphabet division. The primary objective of this development is to solve problems accessing the World Wide Web in areas of natural disasters or in places where communication is impossible. Solution in such situations occurs using specially equipped balloons. Operation of these devices is provided by solar panels installed on them. Today there are no commercial projects implementing internet networks based on Project LOON. However, their appearance in the near future is quite possible. At this stage, it is known that coverage is planned in certain regions of the world, while from the beginning of the technology launch, Google representatives were discussing the prospect of such connection in every part of the world. On September 20th last year, Hurricane Maria hit Puerto Rico, which destroyed almost the entire infrastructure of the city. Thanks to the stratospheric balloons of Project LOON, Alphabet started works to restore communications. ROTOFORM. Most of us could do with eating more fresh vegetables, but unless you make a habit of going to the farmer's market on a regular basis, you're likely to be stuck with supermarket produce. ROTOFORM is an ingenious new invention that allows you to grow your own vegetables from the comfort of your own home, regardless of the season or weather conditions. Inspired by research conducted by NASA, ROTOFORM takes on a unique approach to indoor farming with its self-enclosed chamber that literally rotates 360 degrees every 46 minutes. This rotation helps the precious contents to grow faster and produce more produce than ever before. ROTOFORM produces its own light, uses no soil, and manages everything for you completely autonomously. All you ever need to do is top up the water so the hydroponic system can do its job. Not content with being a wildly efficient ROTOFORM, It's also beautiful to look at with its sophisticated and sleek design aesthetic. It looks at home everywhere, from humble living spaces to high-end designer show homes. Brush Hero. Cleaning the rims of your car can be a thankless job. Brake dust and road dirt build up, and they just don't come off as easily as anyone would like. Now you no longer have to waste time using inconvenient hand cleaning tools. The Brush Hero is here to save the day. This cleverly designed unit uses no external power at all to provide the brush rotation. Instead, it makes use of the water pressure from your hose to drive the brush and keep it spinning. Many power cleaning methods are harsh and way too abrasive to use on a lot of surfaces. But the Brush Hero's super soft bristles can be used on car paint, windows, and even pets. Need to work on a tougher surface? The Brush Hero lets you swap out the head for one with firmer bristles to take on those stubborn marks. The Brush Hero has been designed to fit into those hard-to-reach gaps and crevices that can be difficult to clean with other methods. AMAZFIT X. If you love a bit of wearable tech but hate the standard chunky smartwatch, look at our next gadget. It is sure to impress you. The AMAZFIT X is a sleek, high-end smartwatch that provides utility and aesthetic in equal measure. Doing away with the standard wristwatch designer of old smartwatches, AMAZFIT X takes on the appearance of a bracelet with an embedded curved AMOLED display. Pair that up with the full metal unibody casing, and you're looking at a seriously beautiful piece of technology. Of course, the AMAZFIT X does all the usual smartwatch stuff, but it also features a bio-tracking PBG sensor that monitors your heart and helps to keep you in the loop when it comes to your health. Fed up with constantly charging 1,000,001 devices every night? The AMAZFIT X lasts an entire week on a single charge, a far cry from the battery-guzzling smartwatches of the past. The AMAZFIT X is ideal for anyone who needs to keep their technology within easy reach at all times, but doesn't want to sacrifice looks for utility. COLOP eMark. If you're a creative type of person, the next gadget on our list is sure to appeal to you. The COLOP eMark is a handheld printing device that allows you to leave your mark on everything from paper to textile material. The COLOP eMark is able to deliver full-color printing in a device only marginally larger than the average computer mouse. This handheld printer sure is packing some serious technology. You don't need to waste money on costly rubber stamps for your office. The COLOP eMark can replicate them all in moments. You can change designs super quickly and easily using the free COLOP app on your smartphone. You might think that this kind of futuristic printing technology would set you back thousands of dollars, but the COLOP eMark costs just $400. Towel. Power banks are great. They allow us to juice up our gadgets on the go and help us get through the day when the built-in batteries aren't quite up to snuff. However, an all too common situation is that you forget to charge up the power bank itself and find yourself without the emergency power boost you need. Tao is an innovative new product that aims to solve this problem by remaining charged at all times. Tao connects to your keyring, so you've always got it with you. After all, what good is a power bank if you forget it at home? How does Tao manage to stay charged up all the time? Unlike other power banks that rely on you remembering to plug them in, Tao comes with a wall-mounted charging cradle that ensures it's always ready to go. Because Tao is already connected to your keyring, this also serves as a great place to store your keys and helps to avoid losing them around your house. Blue QUENCH Cooler. Spend a lot of time outdoors in the summer? Hate grabbing a nasty warm drink? We've got just the product for you. Let's meet the Blue QUENCH Cooler. While traditional coolers might be great, they do take a long time to get your favorite beverages down to the perfect icy cold temperature. If you're impatient like us, the Blue QUENCH Cooler will have you grinning from ear to ear as it takes just 60 seconds to fully chill your drink. Thanks to this specially designed rotating mechanism, the drinks chill way faster than is possible normally. Worried about explosions? The Blue QUENCH Cooler cleverly rotates the cans around their center of gravity to avoid any unwanted bursts of soda. You can chill up to 6 standard cans of soda in the Blue QUENCH Cooler, and if you're planning a romantic evening with your partner, you can even fit in 2 full-size bottles. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and comment down below which gadget and invention was your favorite, and I will see you in the next video.